Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. Guys, on this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Now this is a sneak peek behind the scenes. Guess what? The new channel is being done. Yes, I'm getting the intro made right now. I already made the channel. Gonna leave the link in the description below. There's no video, there's no artwork, but the channel has been created, just setting everything up. And this is gonna be the first review. It's called Cooking with Gadgets in the Kitchen. Now this is the Brava Oven. This thing is amazing. You see this little screen on top of here? It's connected to the internet. This uses light technology to cook. That's right. You can cook 3 different things at one time, guys. So let's say you like to eat salmon and asparagus. You can literally put it in on the same tray and it's going to cook at the same time. The light technology, guys, would allow the asparagus to cook slower than the salmon. The infrareds and the heats and the gammas or whatever other rays they have in the light spectrum, guys, come together in perfect harmony with this technology. Look, you got recipes on top of here. Like I said, it's connected to the internet. There's so much technology.
Watch TV on the go. No contract, no credit checks, no cancellation fees. Connected Streams is dedicated and motivated. We care more about getting it done than about proving how intelligent we are. If you're happy, we are happy. Get hundreds of channels, pay-per-view, NBA package, NFL package, MLB package, college sports, HBO, Showtime, locals and more. $14 for 2 streaming lines. Access to Android/Fire device app. Recurring payments. Support 24/7 365. $25 for 5 streaming lines. Access to Android/Fire device app. Recurring payments. Support 24/7 365. Download our app onto any Android box or Fire device. Get connected today and save thousands of dollars. You can even take your cable with you on the go. Visit www.connectstreams.com today.
All of the technology, it just makes it so easy for you to use and cook in this oven. So I'm so excited. Once again, the new channel, guys, have been made. I'm getting the artwork done. I'm getting the intro and stuff done. I'm going to recycle some of the old cooking videos, but the channel is going to be about cooking with gadgets. I mean, how can technology make our life easier in the kitchen? Now, this is the base model. I went ahead and I made this investment. It's $1,300. Yes, $1,300. But I wanted to come out with a bang for the new channels, guys. I just wanted the new channel just to be something exciting for you, something awesome for you. So, hey, I always tell you guys to invest in yourself. So I got to take my own advice. This thing is just awesome. Look at it. I know you can't wait for the full review. I know I can't wait for the full review. Just going through this thing just sent chills down my spine, guys. There's so much tech up in here, and by this being the tech channel, you know how I love tech. Now the awesome thing about this that I'm not showing in this video right here, but I'm going to show in the full review, is it have a app and it also have a camera built inside of this oven. That's right, guys. See that little screen right there? You literally can press a button and see what you're cooking. And if you're away from the oven, you can pull the app up on your phone and you can see what you are cooking via the camera, via the app. So much technology. I'm excited. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, look, the build quality is awesome. Again, the tech in there is awesome. There's so many things, guys, I want to share with you about this oven. So let me go ahead and just wind down this video. I'm sharing a little bit too much with you guys. I don't want to give it all away. But once again, the new channel have been made, Cooking with Gadgets, and this is the first product. It is the Brava Oven. Go ahead and Google it. Tons and tons of technology, guys. I'm so excited. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.